nothing yet. Lights go down, the crowd ignites. Chaos reigns on Monday nights. Suck and feel the fire burn. Ripping through the night, no return. Raise your fists, let the madness flow. This is war. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. Riffs like thunder, drums like war. The legend grows, can't ignore. Laugh or cry, take your stand. Phil's got the mic and he's in command. Lights go down, the crowd ignites. Chaos reigns on Monday night. Suck it, feel the fire burn. Ripping through the night, no return. Raise your fists, let the madness flow. This is war. Welcome to the show. Lightning strikes, baseline growls, shaking lights. No escape, no retreat. Monday's wrath, feel the hate. Suck it, feel the fire burn. Ripping through the night, no return. Raise your fists, let the madness flow. This is war. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. Suck it, feel the crowd screams loud. Monday's
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's
Yeah.
what I'm talking about.
I am
That's
out
what I'm
of
talking now.
singles yet again.
Now, isn't that an opening, Hutch? Isn't that an opening?
Yeah, I was like, whoa.
Yeah.
I was sitting
Whoa.
here like, I never seen anything like that. Man, y'all got it going on.
Well, welcome, everybody. We have Hutch from Sovereign Citizen Encounters joining us once again. Thank you so much,
Hello.
my friend. Thank you.
Anytime. Thanks for supporting me over where I'm at.
Yes, very welcome. I put a link in the show. I will put a link again later on for the stragglers.
Okay.
So go show Hutch some love, everybody.
Thank you.
Like, share, and subscribe. Great channel. Any good stuff going on at the moment? You want to share? If you don't, that's fine.
I'm working on the sauce set for tomorrow morning. See, I'm not too smart, but in that video, I'll give you the spoiler alert on that. I have a new commercial in there tomorrow referencing that the Sovereign Citizens as usual. This one's going to be really good.
Till Friday. I may say Friday.
You know what? I think this is a good time. This is a good time right now. I have a example of a commercial from Hutch.
Yes. Yeah, this is if I think oh yeah, that's the one I put out with the new Sovereign Citizen Police Chief.
Yep. Let's watch this.
I'm Sterling Resolve, the new chief of the Sovereign Citizen Police Department. We have a new way of enforcing the law by allowing everyone to travel freely. We are recruiting. Come join us.
We have the best technology, all invested from our sovereign trust. Any licensed driver pulled over will be arrested. Live sovereign, live free. Your city is calling for steadier hands and steadfast hearts. If you're ready to stand between danger and those who can't, the SCPD SWAT team needs you. Apply today at scpd.com.
SC. Yeah.
I love that. I love that.
Thank you.
Arrest every licensed driver.
I do have a legitimate question about joining this particular form of law enforcement.
Okay.
Am I allowed to use excessive force?
You know, we got to ask the chief about that. See, they go after people that have driver's licenses because they trying to make that whole city a sovereign city. So I have other little episodes that I put in the videos creating the story of what's going on. We got a judge, we got the mayor, then police. been sworn in. Like it's all kinds of stuff that I threw in there. So I'm making a storyline of that chief in the city has been taken over by the sovereign citizen police department.
If they'll need to be as corrupt as I want to be, I think I can get on board too.
So yeah, it's just something to give a little humor.
And Becca.
Hey, Erica. Hey, Becca. Welcome. We have Hutch from Sovereign Citizen Encounters with us today, who also has graced us with a song. Let's go with that right now.
Oh, okay. Let's do it.
Yeah. Hey. Got a stack of papers, bottom of the net. Fringe my flag with a yellow thread. I am a freeman on the land, a living soul, not a person in your system's control. You there, officer, in your costume of blue. I don't answer to you and your corporation too. I'm traveling, not driving, in my private conveyance. Your statutes are just admiralty law. It's plain to see, I do not consent. I'm not under your jurisdiction. You're just a man in a suit with a gun and a fiction. Sovereign, yeah. I'm a freeborn sovereign man. Sovereign, yeah. I'm a freeborn sovereign man. Sovereign man, yeah. Oh, your traffic stop is a maritime arrest. My straw man's bankrupt, put your theories to the test. I filmed this whole thing, it's going on the net. I know my rights from a YouTube alphabet. That 10th Amendment is my holy shield. Your driver's license, a contract I never see. Yeah, I'm traveling, not driving, in my private conveyance. Your statutes are just admiralty law. It's plain to see, I do not consent. I'm not under your jurisdiction. You're just a man in a suit with a gun and a fiction. Sovereign, yeah, I'm a freeborn sovereign man. Sovereign. I'm a freeborn sovereign man. Sovereign. So let this be a lesson to all who can hear. The truth will set us free. Let go of your fear. We're the free man on this land with a voice so grand. Together we'll stand strong. United we demand.
May I ask what the emergency is, officer? No.
Well done. Well done. That is awesome.
Friday wants to post a link to.
Thank you.
What'd you say?
Oh, somebody said, hey.
Friday said something. I don't see
I'm
it.
going to say this, and I don't say it lightly, but that's going to be a club banger in Miami.
Yeah, I think the sad part is that could actually catch on with the movement, and they'll see that as a freedom song. I mean, that's got some groove to it, my friend. That has some groove to it.
Friday wants to use some of your clips.
Friday, who's Friday?
Friday is International.
Brothers International.
Yeah, he covered DeWitt. Really, 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 really heavy.
He's a good friend. He's a good friend.
He is. He's a good
tell
guy.
him hook him up.
I'll put a link to your channel.
Yeah,
here in a minute.
The way I can get in touch with him, whether it's Discord or something like that.
Good guy.
Yep.
Okay,
yep.
I'm gonna have a lot more of these coming because you know how it is. Once
Yep.
you start something, some of the commercials I've done, I'm getting emails saying people are trying to do what you do, but it looks like crap.
You should put a if you haven't done a playlist of it, you should do a playlist of it.
Yeah, I plan to. It's just that I have to. Well, I think I have to list them unlimited or something. Unlisted first.
Oh, gotcha. Well, I don't believe
individual videos, and I want to do that.
No, you don't have to do that.
No.
All you have to do is create a playlist
Load them up
through
in there.
YouTube, because that's what I did for the podcast to separate it from the lives and stuff.
Okay.
So all you do is you create the playlist, and then when you start uploading them,
Uh-huh.
when you get to that part of turning on like the age restriction, is it so
Yeah.
you can select what playlist to put it in,
Right.
and then you can just make the playlist public or private or unlisted.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because I
So
knew
that
I had
way
to upload each one individually. I got between the police chief story and all that stuff, and now I'm doing these music videos just for humor, and then the other commercials I'm doing. And people definitely want to see them. So
Yeah, it's all you would have to do is create a playlist, and then just even once you've got them uploaded, just go into the content part of YouTube Studios, and you can just add them in there.
okay, I'll take care of that because I have been asked. So I need to make them because I got quite a bit now. I've been doing these probably for about, I don't know, 4 or 5 months maybe, and been hitting it a little bit heavier lately.
Okay, why don't I have that? No. Okay, hold on. I'm trying. Hold on.
Yeah, Friday is
wait for
legend.
Phil.
Friday is
Talk
legend.
amongst yourself while I grab the link. Jesus.
Friday is legend, Hutch. Friday is legend.
Friday is legend.
He is legend.
Okay,
Yep.
yeah, hook me up so we can
Yeah, Friday
chat.
International Operations. He is legend. His editing, his DeWitt shit. Oh my God, Jeremy DeWitt, unbelievable. Yeah, hook up with him. He will. Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
Phil will help me, I'm sure.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Well,
Oh
Yep.
yeah.
would y'all like to hear the newest update to the adventures of LIA?
Yo, please, please, please.
Please.
He decided to go to the Corpus Christi Naval Air Station to front it
Oh. Okay.
and told the Naval Security Force that they are obstructing his investigation.
Oh.
Okay.
And then, Hutch, we were talking backstage about this. You were probably on base when you served.
Mm.
Does the MPs or the security force have jurisdiction over the entirety of the base, even before you hit the demarcation line?
Anything that perimeters that based on the property of the government or the military, they have a jurisdiction over that.
Not according to Sean.
Within a certain distance, correct?
No.
Within a certain
That's
distance.
not
Once you
true.
cross
That's
that
not true.
gate line where you are entering the base,
Yeah, when you're on their
you're in their
property.
jurisdiction.
Well,
Yeah, once you cross their property
I
line.
thought it was
I'm
outside the
thinking
gate.
if they have a road that leads to them and it's
Yep.
their public road,
Yep.
yes, but outside of that, no.
Yep.
If it's the city's public road, no.
No, he went past the fence line and where they had a posted sign stating that you are now entering a military, a federal government property, and told the security force they do not have jurisdiction over him.
How to get shot by LIA. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, Freeman went through that.
Somebody else did that too.
Oh, lots of them have. Lots of them have.
Gone to
Yeah.
military bases.
Yeah.
Yep.
There was a big stink because during was it about 3 or 4 years ago, there was heightened alerts on military bases, and so filming and installation became a huge issue. And so if you're filming the gate
Yeah.
on public property,
Yeah,
that's
you're not
one
supposed to
thing.
do that. Yep.
But once you come onto their property line, because several of George tried that a couple of times. George met
Rogue Nation.
Rogue Nation, Rouge Notion, as I like to refer to him.
Rouge Notion.
Yeah, and actually had charges and was unable to defeat them because of where he was standing. And then a couple of others did it where they were actually on a public sidewalk, and so that became an issue. So the Department of Defense issued clear instructions to the MPs.
What about filming a federal property? Like a
That's the
federal,
same thing. It's the same
Yeah.
thing.
yeah, like a federal building.
Yeah,
Well,
it depends.
Yep.
It depends on the building and what signage they have.
Yep.
Well, this
Yep.
all stemmed because a guy went onto the base who was a licensed amateur radio engineer to test equipment without the permission of the base. Their supervisor from the security force told him to trespassing. They tell him to leave. He refuses to leave. So the civilian police on the base come down, tell him to leave. He doesn't provide ID, gets detained, gets a federal trespass. So Sean is then going down there to conduct an investigation and yet tells the security force that they are obstructing him.
He has no authority there. So, good luck with that, John. Fucking moron.
Yeah.
You know, I've been urging Ray Ass to not go audit a Custom and Border Patrol agent because it's
At his home.
completely
At his
dangerous
home.
at his
Yep.
home.
Yep.
But you know, I'm rethinking that. You're just begging for it at this point.
Yep.
Like,
Yep.
Yes, you are.
Yep.
you know better, and you're just begging for it. Like this
Yep.
serves no legitimate purpose
Yep.
Hold on.
other than scam your fans.
Hold on. I think he's trying to come in and make a conversation.
Oh, is he?
Listen, Phil. You may not like the fact that I am LIA and I am way better in auditing. And I will file lawsuits and park a billboard truck outside your house and dox the Roddy.
Go right ahead. Go right
Right
ahead.
ahead.
Vatican West is sovereign property. Sovereign property. So we actually don't abide by U.S. law because we're sovereign.
Yes. Yes.
Not in a sovereign set way. Hutch.
Yep.
In the Vatican
That's
way.
right.
Be the king of the soft sits.
Yeah, no shit. No shit. He's going to become an American state national soon.
No, I'm going to be a First Amendment state national.
Perfect. Perfect. I like that. A First Amendment state national. I like that. Okay, I have.
File a frivolous lawsuit.
Before we get going too far, I have a more. It's a short one.
Those are always fun.
I love
Okay.
the Moors. I love the Moors.
Well, let's see what you got.
Excuse me, I want to fire the attorney. I don't want to attorney.
Oh, him.
I can place on the record Oak Park, but he declined my representation.
Okay, thank you. Just kind of hang on and listen in, counsel. I appreciate that.
That's fine. I'll just place on the record, though, if you'll allow.
Sure, absolutely,
with him.
absolutely.
For the record, on the record, by the record.
Let the
Okay,
record
calling
reflect.
case. Ticket number Tom King Tom 26 Ocean Paul 00014 in the matter of Matthew Aaron Simpson II. Counsel appearance for the record, please.
Hi, good morning. For the record, Patrick Agnick. I'm here as MIDC counsel. I appear on behalf of the county jail. I did speak in private to Mr. Simpson just now. I indicated that he does have a right to speak with a lawyer. Mr. Simpson indicated that he did not wish to speak with me. Mr. Simpson, you don't care to speak with me, is that correct?
I don't want you on this case.
Understood.
I don't want
So
you.
the court's willing to accept his waiver. I'll let him speak directly to the court.
Oh,
Okay,
figures,
thank you.
tomatoes.
Mr. Simpson, would you state your name for the record, please?
I am here in a special appearance. As the
What's your name?
I'm
Okay.
getting to the Your Honor. I'm here in a special appearance. Living flesh and man. God's son. I go by Matthew Aaron Simpson II Bay.
Of course, it's Bay.
Oh my God.
I forgot we have Hutch Bay with us. So
Yeah, Hutch Bay is here. Hutch Bay is here.
Hutch L Bay.
Competent. I am the age of majority. I am not contract. I do not contract. I'm not that person that you're trying to give me a contract with. So Matthew Aaron Simpson is.
I don't think he's conscious. I think is what he's trying to say.
Yeah, I think he's struggling with it.
I'm not conscious.
To quote Zach Brannigan, he smoked some bad granola.
I am not him.
Yes, he did.
I'm not him. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And I also would like to say this. I am trust property as well as my car. So I would like this to be, I'm petitioning for this to be seen in equity court because it is it's trust law.
Yeah, equity.
Thank you, sir.
The court's gonna make some money.
Thank you, whatever, dude.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
He appreciate him.
Hey, Your Honor, can I ask you a question?
Oh, I like
Well, give me a second here. Let me go. I got to go through a few things first, and then we'll get to that. So I have to at least set a bond in this matter. Give me 1 second here.
Make sure you get the good crayons so he can eat the good color.
Yeah.
Now I don't know if you know this or not, Hutch.
What's that?
But the judge right there is caught on camera reaching into the trust documents for the county.
Oh no.
That little book of paperwork there.
Not the trust.
The trust. This is obviously equity court. Obviously equity court.
When you set a bond, the
Fringed
bond is a contract.
Fringed flag. He's reaching into the equity notebook. Obviously, this is a trust matter.
Yes.
I haven't gotten anything yet. So hold on 1 second. I appreciate it.
That's a gold fringe flag. I mean, this is a maritime admiralty
Give 1
court.
second,
This
please.
is up to a military court martial. Furthermore, I cannot be court martialed twice.
Got two universal take one to Providence. Wait, now you back over.
Tried to take photos. Let's go again.
I gotta send you that clip.
Okay, detectives, are you there? And counsel?
Sergeant Kerrigan, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the charges are resisting and obstructing, which is a violation of Michigan Compiled Law 750.881D. Here's a maximum penalty of up to 93 days in jail, possible fines of up to $500. A littering charge under MCL 324.8903 carries a possible fine of up to $10,000. Court's going to enter not guilty on your behalf. It's also a driver's license matter before the court, which is under 257.301, carries a maximum penalty of up to 90 days jail, fine of $100 on that as well.
I don't need a weighted
Court's going to
blanket.
set bond in the amount of
I have a
$1,000
30-pound
cash
corgi
surety,
that sleeps on
no
my head.
10%. Court will also order that, I'm not quite sure, the defendant has not indicated that his name is Matthew Aaron Simpson II. So the court's going to order that fingerprints be ordered prior to the defendant's release on this matter. So do you understand your bond conditions? You also should not drive a vehicle without proper license, do not leave the state of Michigan without permission of this court, personally appear for all your court appearances, and pick up no new criminal offenses. I have granted court-appointed counsel for you if you should decide you want one later on in the future. Just make sure no driving without license, no insurance, and no plate. You must have those things on your vehicle. Other than that, sir, do you understand your bond conditions?
I don't understand.
Okay. Yeah, it's $1,000 cash surety, no bond, and you were required to take your fingerprints prior to being released, so we know who you are for sure. Other than that, detectives, I'm all set.
All right, Your Honor, real quick, Sergeant Kerrigan, if I can, if he refuses to continue to go along with the program and our booking process of fingerprints, is he being ordered to remand to the county?
Yes, because I've ordered that his fingerprints, prior to his release, his fingerprints need to be taken, and he refuses to advise the court who he is for sure. We need to know exactly who he is, so that it may require that his fingerprints be taken. So until his fingerprints are taken, he cannot be released.
There you go.
Then he'll be remanded to the county then, Your Honor, if he does not go along.
That's
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Wait, quick question. Your Honor.
Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second here.
Go.
And you know what? He said, give me 1 second. He never came back.
Yep.
I love it. I love it when they just completely ignore them.
Yeah,
Just
he went
move
on,
on.
to the next
Move
one.
on. Yeah, move on.
Yep.
Move on.
Yep. Yeah, don't give him any more time than anybody else. These people just waste the court's time. Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Now I have another one in which, Hutch, you are mentioned by Zach over at Law Nerds Unite. This is
Oh,
about
yes.
about a month old, but
Did I give him the clip or something?
you turned him on to the dude. It's another more with the fez. You'll recognize him. You'll recognize him.
Let's do it.
Mr. Millard, do you own a phone?
I don't understand.
If there were a publication on how to spot a sovereign citizen in the wild, this guy would be pictured on the front cover. Special thanks to Hutch at Sovereign Citizen Encounters for hooking me up with the footage. Check out his channel then. I left a link in the description. This one's about 6 months old, so if you've seen it, watch it again for the first time. The hearing was over an hour, but I dialed it down to the best 17 minutes of sovereign lunacy you'd ever get from one hearing. Let's roll, nerds.
So we are live on the record in 24 FD.
He did
Do
good with
you
that.
remember? Do you remember this guy?
Yeah, because I told him I had that. I asked him, did he ever use it? He said no. I was like, oh, well, shoot, let me send it to you. Because I know he does a lot of different things. So if he has something I don't like, and sometimes he'll help me out because I work. So if I can't get to something, I'll ask him. And then if he wants something, I'll just tell him whatever he wants and I'll send it to him. But yeah, I covered this. That was a long hearing.
Yeah.
And the fact that he cut this down, that's good.
2487. This is an original petition and suit affecting the parent-child relationship with an acknowledgement of paternity. And this was filed by the Attorney General's office on December 6th of 2024. Mr. Millard, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Yeah. Now think about this, right? It's one thing to try to do this in a traffic matter. I've seen guys try to do this on serious charges. Couple in Georgia, one was a home invasion, and another one was an actual murder. But you're doing this over child
Yes.
custody and child
Disgusting.
support.
Disgusting. Yep. Yep.
You're trying to do this crap against your own kid.
Yep. Be a man, dude.
Yeah,
Be a man.
that's ridiculous.
Take care of
And
your
as
children.
as Pope, I would like to say there is a special place in hell for you.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, that's messed up.
Just
messed up. He shouldn't.
yeah.
Yeah.
This
Be
is
a
your
man.
child. You want to
Take
play
care of your
games over that.
children. Yep.
Yes, my name is Sidney Millard Bay.
Have you legally changed your name?
Yes.
So you have a social security card with Bay? And then,
No.
Do you have a driver's license with Bay?
No.
A birth certificate with Bay?
No.
Ma'am, I challenged jurisdiction and we
Yes, that was
haven't.
denied, sir. So we are proceeding.
Well, I'd like to proceed to a de novo hearing.
Have you filed that request with the court?
I did. It should be in your paperwork.
Judge, I don't see a de novo filed on Odyssey.
Don't either. You filed that with the district clerk's office?
I did. It was mailed on the 26th.
Might not have received it yet.
It should have been there.
Is that timely, Mr. DeHamation?
No, Your Honor. Typically, de novos are done within 3 days of a judge's ruling. There hasn't been a substantive ruling in this case, but there's nothing e-filed on Odyssey regardless. The only ruling in this case is that his lack of jurisdiction was denied.
And before we begin, let me swear you in, sir, because even what you just said to me was not said under oath. So again, your legal name, what is your legal name, sir?
Sidney, capital SIDNEY, Millard, capital MILLARD, Bay, capital BEY.
Can you, Miss Blake, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Sonora Blake was Sonora Marie Blake.
Okay, and sir, was your name, are you the person who also goes by Sidney Somerville Millard IV?
No.
That is not you? That was never you?
That is my all caps name. That's not the name that I
So what are you doing here, dude?
Are you saying that's a different
not
person,
you.
though?
No, I'm saying.
What are you doing here? Why are you coming here and waste? Why are you here?
wasted the course time. But I love how the judge handles it, right? The judge is like, does this mean you're a different person?
Yeah.
Well, no. Okay, then. You know,
And
like,
what? And why are
capitalization has shit to do with anything. Like,
Yep.
I'm saying that I am not that person.
Now, Judge, he has sent a de novo to the state, but he hadn't filed it with the court.
If you can both please raise your right hands to be sworn in. Do you each solemnly swear that any testimony you give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I affirm.
Yes.
Okay. So, sir, where did you mail your request to on April 26th?
I mailed it to the Lamarck office.
Okay, so you did not file it with the court. Mr. Division, are you able to read what it was? I just want to make sure it was a de novo and not a new trial.
Yes.
Judge, I can share the screen if you would like.
I asked you to read it.
It's non-standard. The title, he wrote request for de novo hearing. Then he's got his name and he's got an address. And underneath that, attempted to put a style. And then he titled it Nunc Pro Tunc. And then underneath that, he's got request for de novo. Then he's got another title saying notice to the court, requesting de novo hearing concerning the denial of my affidavit of fact of dismissal of lack of jurisdiction. I am requesting a de novo hearing on the following grounds. And he cited several cases as not relevant. And there's a page 2, and he's talking about the postbox rule, which is also not relevant. And then he signed it on page 3, and he's got a jurat.
Objection.
What's your
believe that everything here is relevant.
Okay, I'm going to sustain your objection. However, I am denying, but I'm going to find that your de novo request, I don't need to wait for that because it was not filed with the court and it was not filed timely, even if I considered the AG's office the court, which I do not.
Can you repeat that? I didn't
You
hear.
did not file it with the court and you did not timely file it, even if you had filed it with the court. So we're moving forward today. Mr. DeHamasian, you may call your first witness.
Thank you, Judge.
Well, hold on, Your Honor. I have a question. You saying that it wasn't in a timely manner, but it was on the 26th. And notice to agent is notice to principal. Notice to principal is notice to agent. Once it's in their hands, it's in your hands.
Not good legal advice. I'm denying, well, it's not even filed. I'm finding it's not filed with the court and it is not timely. You may proceed, Mr. Davis.
Again, these are things under the UCC, which may apply to certain contracts that you enter into, have zero to do with the court.
Yep. It's just civil stuff. That's it.
Yep.
It just doesn't. It's not relevant. It doesn't
they don't
apply. You think
anything
this
correctly.
means something.
Yep.
Same with the non-protunct, right? Like every judge goes, I don't even know what that means. Like it's nonsense. It's gibberish.
Oh, somebody asked, does he have a giraffe?
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, you signed it with a giraffe. Like, okay.
Judge, at this time, the state requests that you take judicial notice of our petition filed on December 6, 2024.
I take judicial notice of the pleading, including the acknowledgement of paternity that was signed by both parties with their all caps names.
Thank you, Judge. And the state calls
With their
Ms.
all caps names.
Ms. Blake, can you state your name for the record?
Sonora Marie Blake.
Ms. Blake, who is your child and how old is he?
13.
Now, when you make important decisions for the child, do you consult it with his father?
Yes, it depends on what the situation is.
You're asking for joint managing conservatorship, right, ma'am? Where you continue making. How old is the child, ma'am?
13.
You're in agreement as to wanting joint managing conservatorship where you continue to make decisions together, right?
Yes.
And the child and dad, they have a good relationship?
Yes.
Now, do you know what Mr. Millard does for a living, ma'am?
He used to work as a lineman on the light poles and stuff, but now I too much don't really know.
Do you know if he's retired?
Yeah, he don't work for them no more.
Now, you said truck. What kind of truck does he drive?
I just seen a big truck, like
a big
I don't
truck.
know, I guess there's a 18-wheelers. I don't know what kind of truck it is.
It's a big 18-wheeler truck?
Yes.
Let's talk about retroactive child support. Has he given you any monies in the last 4 years to support your child, ma'am?
Yes, when I asked him, request for it.
If you're going to put a dollar amount, ma'am, how much has he given you in the last 4 years?
All together, what I added up, that I had on my cash app, it was like $3,300.
Okay. Ma'am, do you know if he's got other kids?
Yes.
How many other kids does he have?
There's 6 altogether. And
Wow.
One moment.
Wow.
Ma'am, one moment. What is your legal objection, sir?
What's the relevance of my kids being drug into this?
You're a
like,
loser.
I don't understand.
Calculation, sir. You may proceed, Ms. Blake, and I couldn't hear anything you said. So if you can repeat your answer.
6 altogether, about 5 that's living.
Okay, so are you saying one is deceased, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Not counting the one child in this case, there's 4 children outside this case, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I only have one with him.
The 4 kids outside this case, are they all adults? Are they all over 18?
Yes.
Pass the witness, Your Honor. Your Honor, I call Miss Tatiana Young-Cleaton. I don't know if she's been sworn in yet, Your Honor.
Don't believe she has. Can you state your full name for the record, please?
Tatiana Young-Cleaton.
And can you please raise your right hand to be sworn in?
Who do you work for, ma'am?
The Office of the Attorney General. I'm a child support officer. The subtotal $13,870 with a credit of $3,300 for a total of $10,570.
Anyone have any objection?
$10,000 in arrears.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
Yep. And he doesn't have a job because they would take his money out of his paycheck.
Yep.
He's working for cash, guaranteed. Yep.
And he's challenging the jurisdiction.
Yep. That's what he's doing.
Yeah.
Yes, he's a manly man.
He didn't challenge jurisdiction when he was in the jurisdiction. Yeah.
Right, exactly.
Yep.
And he didn't deny the jurisdiction of being in the jurisdiction because when they started this, they said paternity has been agreed upon.
Yep.
To me entering the exhibit, please Exhibit 1. Ms. Blake, do you have any objection to State's Exhibit 1?
No, ma'am.
Mr. Millard, do you have any objection to State's Exhibit 1 being admitted into evidence?
I do object.
What is your legal objection?
My objection is that I don't wish to contract. I don't have a reason to contract. I do enough already for Sonora and
enough.
my son.
I'm going to overrule that objection.
I do
Again,
enough.
she asked for a legal objection. I don't wish to contract isn't a legal objection. My God.
I do enough. Yep. No, you
And
don't.
admit this into evidence. And do know, sir, you'll get a chance to explain why you don't believe back child support is appropriate. State's Exhibit 1 is admitted. Mr. Millard, do you have any questions for Ms. Young-Fleeton?
I only object to this proceeding because I moved to dismiss. There's no reason for this, and you all have me here.
I'm overruling the objection. Ms. Blake, do you have any questions for Ms. Young-Fleeton?
No, I don't.
You may call your next witness, Mr. Damasian.
I call Mr. Millard. Mr. Millard, can you state your name for the record?
Sydney Millard Bay.
What do you do for a living, sir?
I have a question. I'd like to know the proper names for yourself, the judge, and the other officer that was here.
Judge, objection, non-responsive.
I believe that there's a conflict of interest here because at least two of you work for the state.
I'm going to overrule the objection. My name is Judge Jennifer Baker. Mr.
Look at the judge. He's like, hey, because this has been going on for a while, right? This is Zach has cut all of this down. This has been going on for a while. She's just beat at this point. Like, just shut up. Move on.
Put him in jail. Yep.
Gary Damasian, his name is written right there on the screen. Tosiana Young-Fleeton, her name is on the screen as well. So you may proceed, Mr.
And who are they employed by?
So it says they work for the Office of the Attorney General. You may proceed, Mr. Damasian.
Sir.
So everyone works for the Office of the Attorney General?
I don't. You may proceed, Mr. Damasian.
What do you do for a living?
So you work for the state.
Objection, non-responsive.
Sustained. Sir, please answer the questions.
I don't work.
Are you retired?
I don't understand. I don't understand where we're going here. I already said what I need to say.
This is the dude. He's done this in several other.
Yep.
When it doesn't go his way, he just goes, I don't understand.
He deflects.
I don't understand.
Yeah, he deflects. Yep.
I don't understand.
Gaslighting. I don't. What? Asks another question. Answers the question with another question. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
In this matter, but you guys keep pushing forward. So I'm telling you that I don't want a contract, and you're steady trying to draw me into your jurisdiction, and that's not what I want.
Do you own an 18-wheeler?
I don't understand.
Do you drive a truck for a living, sir?
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Are you refusing to answer my questions, Mr. Millard?
I move the court to dismiss.
I'm denying that request.
Do you live in a home or an apartment?
I live within myself.
Do you pay rent?
Within myself.
Excuse me. I live within myself.
Do you own a car, sir?
I move the court to dismiss.
I'm denying that request. Sir, please answer the questions so I can make an appropriate ruling in your case. This is not a contract. International Shoe says I have jurisdiction of you. You were served in Texas. This child lives in Galveston County. We are proceeding with the Attorney General's petition.
I don't understand.
Do you pay rent, sir?
I don't understand.
Do you have a car?
I don't understand.
Judge, the witness is refusing to answer questions.
He's saying he doesn't understand. He might not understand. Ask your questions to the best of your ability, and I'll make my ruling to the best of my ability. You can impeach him if you have impeachment evidence.
Mr. Millard, do you own a phone?
I don't understand.
What are you using for Zoom? What device are you using?
This is a tablet.
Okay. So you own a tablet. Do you know what a phone is? Do you know what a telephone is? Maybe he needed to use the full word.
Do you own a phone, sir?
I don't understand.
Which part of that did you not understand so he can break it down for you?
Any of it. Like I don't understand these proceedings. I don't even understand why I'm here. Like I told you guys that I don't want a contract.
Because you owe money for your kid, jackass.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
You're here because you're a deadbeat.
Yep.
You're not paying your way for your own child. What is wrong with you?
Yep.
Yeah, I think that's just
All
terrible.
the benefits of the state, none of the responsibilities. Yep. Nope. Make a baby.
Like, I don't
walk away. Yep.
Right.
Yep.
need to contract.
Sir,
and I asked the court to move to dismiss.
I'm denying that. This is your chance to provide evidence, sir. Otherwise, I'm just going to make my ruling.
Evidence of what? Of what? That I'm here?
Before me, sir, I can't give legal advice, but I can let you know the issues before me are conservatorship, possession and access, child support, medical support, dental support, and back child support. So that is what I'm going to be ordering today.
And I already do all of that, Your Honor. So I object to this whole thing.
I understand you object, sir, and I'm overruling your objection. Mr. Damation, do you feel you need any more testimony from Mr. Begg?
No, Judge, I passed the witness.
The state does not represent either party, so I'm going to give you each a chance to let me know if there's anything additional regarding those issues that I just described. Ms. Blake, is there anything additional you'd like to say?
No, ma'am.
And Mr. Millard, is there anything additional you'd like to say?
Yes, I'd like the court to move to dismiss. I object to all of these proceedings.
I'm going to make my ruling and render based on the testimony presented. Before I rule, I'm letting each party know that you do have a right to a de novo hearing before the referring court regarding any decisions I make. That request must be filed with the district clerk's office. I am finding, once again, there is jurisdiction over this matter. The child lives in Galveston, and Mr. Millard was served in Texas. Those service papers are on file with Galveston County, as reflected in my previous ruling. I'm appointing the parties joint managing conservators, with Ms. Blake having the right to determine the primary residence of the children within Galveston and contiguous counties, or any county that touches Galveston. I'm setting child support based on minimum wage. There's one child before the court and no others. I'm finding that nobody has access to private insurance at a reasonable cost. I'm ordering that Mr. Millard pay to Ms. Blake cash medical support,
It's a
$35 per month, beginning May
Objection, Your Honor.
2025. Sir, let me get through my ruling. Beginning May 1st.
I have a question.
Sir, let me get through my ruling, and then
That is a Moorish fez.
Yes.
Yes,
It has a very special meaning to them, which I don't know what that meaning is.
And the flag. It's very, very important.
Well, that's the Moroccan flag.
Yes.
Which they think is the proper flag of the United States, since
Which is where you should
Morocco
live. Yes.
took over the United States based on the Treaty of Peace and Friendship, even though it says no such thing in that treaty. I've read it several times.
Yep.
Yeah, and you see, he put that flag up there just for that hearing because it's
course he
over
did.
something that he wanted to make sure the judge saw that that was really going to mean something.
Yeah, it really means something.
It's like a binky for him.
It's a binky.
It's
the
a
binky.
binky.
Yeah, it's a binky.
It's a safe space. It's a safe space. Your laws can't affect me. I'm under the shield of Morocco.
Don't leave home without your pacifier.
Yep.
I have medical insurance for my son.
Okay, you did not testify to that, and you said it was you. I think you might have objected to the question. Where do you have medical insurance available?
I didn't hear the question.
Okay, what insurance? How do you have insurance for your son? Is it through a job? Is it through the marketplace? Is it through a relative?
Proceed, Your Honor.
No, this is important. Where is the insurance from? I don't know.
It's through a marketplace.
Okay, so you have gone on the marketplace and you purchased insurance. Is that true? That's what you're saying? You went online and purchased insurance, or you called and purchased insurance?
Yes.
What company is that through?
I don't know. I don't have the documents in front of me.
Have you provided Ms. Blake with those documents so she can use the insurance?
I did.
And do you know how much it costs per month?
I don't remember.
Is there a place you could go look that information up? It will affect your child support, and it will make your child support lower. So it will help you to look up this information.
I don't know, Your Honor. I don't have the information with me right now.
Okay, are you in your house right now? You don't have it anywhere in your house?
Go ahead, Your Honor.
Ms. Blake, do you know that he has private insurance? Ms. Blake, has he given you the cards?
Yes, I pulled up a card. That he sent me, but it doesn't have a amount on here. It just says benefit level, individual, children, the group number, member ID, NCE. It says a discount card. That's what it says on there.
So are you on this insurance as well, Mr. Millard?
I only see his name on there. I don't see Raheem's name on here. I'll be a mother.
Yeah, please remember your
Become an angry black woman.
She's just realized she's got scammed.
Yep.
By this guy.
Yep. I'll be a motherfucker.
Motherfucker.
Again, would it please the court to become an angry black woman and beat this man's ass and get my money back?
Yes, exactly. The sentence of the court is you meet him out behind the courthouse
Yes.
and flog him. And
Yes.
flog him.
Yep.
Ms. Blake, I just sent you an email. If you could forward that to me, Ms. Blake, can you hear me?
I think she just lost connectivity.
Judge, we're trying to call her right now to log back on.
I have a question, Your Honor. Do you have an address for the de novo hearing for me to send the de novo hearing to?
It is the district clerk's office in Galveston County. I don't have the address. You can Google it.
Okay, the other card that was on there is from American Financial Security Life Insurance Company. And it has Sidney Malloy name and the dependent Raheem.
That's not health insurance. I have life insurance on the kid.
Yep.
Which good for you. That's great. That's wonderful. Good for you. But that's not germane to what we're talking about.
Yep.
Malloy child. The effective date was 11/26/2024.
So, Your Honor, we've found something out. We've Googled NCE, and it's like what Mom said. It's a discount card. It's not insurance. So I don't know if that would help the court finish its ruling.
That does help. Sir, do you know anything else beyond that, Mr. Millard?
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection.
She just read the other name of the card for the insurance.
There was, I believe, well,
It was life insurance.
so do you have any other health insurance available?
It's medical insurance, Your Honor.
Okay, can you provide some testimony about that? So, because I can only rule based on evidence before me. I can't go investigate.
That's fine.
And I can't. So I want to hear this testimony, but you need to provide it, sir, because no one else has information. It's not
fine.
I'm supposed to order insurance through your job if you have it, or then through another source if you have it. And then a state plan is supposed to be last on the priority list. So if you have it through another source, which it sounds like you might, I should be ordering that. But I need evidence to do that, sir.
I don't have it.
Did you, Hutch? Did you watch this when it actually occurred?
Thank you.
I think I got that as soon as that hearing was a while back, but
I know.
when it came out, I think I watched a little bit of it here, and then I downloaded it. You know, like in the court hearing, then I downloaded it and used it. So what you had a question about this one?
No, I remember this now as I'm watching this. I was so frustrated with this judge because she seemed to be bending backwards for this jackass. He's lying to you.
Yeah,
he does not have insurance.
No, he doesn't. And see, like for me on my channel, I don't really say too many things about these, judges and stuff, just so I don't get any heat because I got so many people watching. But yeah, some of these judges kind of let things go a little bit too far sometimes, and I get it. They're probably trying to let them make a record, and I think a lot of them, to me, because I'm not a judge, but I feel like they don't want to not do something when it comes to rights. So they let things go a little bit further instead of just cutting them off like some judges will do, like Judge Oakley, for instance, or
I love Oakley.
They're not going to play with them. But some of the other judges that may not get this all the time, they would probably want to make sure they didn't cut something off and then they appeal and they did do something wrong because they might not be familiar at the moment.
Right. Yeah, that's a good point.
Yeah.
I remember getting frustrated with her over this because it's like he's lying to you. Everyone knows it except for you.
Right. It's like you can't you already have a person in court that's not compliant. And you want to give them the benefit of the doubt when they can't produce anything that you need to see. No, that doesn't work.
Right. Like
I would like, what? Appeal me.
Yeah, right. I would be like, okay, well, I'm ruling based on the fact that you won't give me anything. So, all right, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm like, you can come back later. So
that's
okay.
Oh no, yeah.
Does anyone have anything else they'd like to say before I conclude my ruling? So, render judgment. I'm ordering the parties joint managing conservators, with Ms. Blake having the right to determine the primary residence of the child within Galveston or any county that touches Galveston County. Mr. Millard has visitation pursuant to the joint management. pursuant to the standard possession order. I'm finding nobody has access to private health insurance at a reasonable cost, so I'm ordering that Mr. Millard pay to Ms. Blake cash medical support of $35 per month beginning May 1st of 2025. Finding nobody has access to dental insurance at a reasonable cost. I'm ordering that Mr. Millard pay to Ms. Blake child support of $225 each month beginning May 1st, 2025. And based on the testimony provided today and evidence presented, I'm ordering back child support in the amount of $6,500. That's back child support judgment against Mr. Millard. It will accrue interest for the family code at a rate of 6% per annum. It is not an installment debt. Other remedies can be used to collect this if appropriate. However, I am ordering that Mr. Millard pay to Ms. Blake $50 each month towards that judgment, with a step up to $275 when child support ceases per the family code. And I'm ordering that Mr. Millard pay court costs as billed to Galveston County by April 28th, 2026. So we're going to have you all go back to your breakout rooms so you'll get a chance to review the order in private and confirm it matches the ruling. But thank you both for coming in, and good luck going forward with everything.
Wow. What a loser.
I know. I know.
Yeah.
What an absolute loser. Yep. What a frickin' loser. And not only with the money, he's defining this child's life. He's defining who this child will be in the future. He's showing this kid that he's worthless to him. And that sets that child up for a lifetime of issues. They don't realize this.
Yeah.
You tell your children, who they are by this behavior. It's not about the money. It's about, I love you, I will do whatever I can to support you, instead of, I'll play all these frickin' games to avoid giving your mother any money. Yep.
Well, and his biggest response to it all was, "Where do I go for the de novo hearing?"
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yep. That's what you do to your children when you do this. Yep.
I don't get it. But then
I don't
again, I don't understand the whole philosophy anyway. So, it sort of makes sense that they would kind of go down this route, because they go down this route with everything.
Yep.
It's 2025. When this hearing went on, if any of this worked, everyone would know it.
Yep. It doesn't work.
Oh, this
All
one used to be bad for all the deadbeats out there.
All it does is damage your children. All it does is damage your children for the next generation of, drug use or depression or anxiety or whatever. That's all it does, is damage the next generation. You don't lift them up. You need to lift them up.
Yeah, and support them. I just I don't get it. But
Either do I.
But it's kind of like the Moorish temple, which tries to convince them that you can just move into any abandoned house and take it over, because it's now part of Morocco.
Yep.
Okay. We'll just file a lien on it and move in.
Yeah.
And then the liens never get upheld because they're fraudulent. And then it becomes a whole issue to get them out.
Fraudy.
What do you do now?
He just did a thing. He did a, MOI. Money sign.
Moist.
Yeah.
Moist.
Nutty boy.
We have a channel member who does not like the word moist.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
It upsets her, the word moist.
Yep.
So we don't
even
say
if you
the word
hey, the
moist.
cake is moist, or
Yeah, right, exactly.
so
exactly.
The
Now,
cake
what
is
if I did
soft.
it in a deep, robust voice?
Yes, do it. Yes, do it very slowly, Hutch.
Oh, I
Very
think y'all
slowly.
had me do that the last time I was on here.
Yeah, do it very slowly.
Yeah, the cake is moist.
There he goes.
There we go. There we go.
They were
There
like,
you
oh,
go.
I can't stand him.
I know, and people say, some people come here just to hear me say daddy.
Daddy,
Phil.
daddy,
Oh my.
daddy, daddy.
God, we are so messed. Yeah, we are so messed up. Yep, we are.
Christine, you've been awfully quiet.
I'm just listening to you guys.
She's listening, going, "Why am I friends with this girl? She is
Yes,
absolutely
yes,
nuts." Yep,
yes.
I
I've
honestly
known
was
her.
thinking,
Hutch, I've known her since freshman year in high school, and we
yep.
are 65 now. Yep, 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 yep.
Okay, now you're trying to be like NCR, who claims he's 35 when he's really 56. You're
Well,
85, and you're claiming to be
I'm 80.
65.
I'm 85. Okay. Yeah, she's a good friend. She's a good friend. She's been there for me with my
You're a very
kids'
good egg.
issues. Yep, good friend. Yep,
Very
yep,
good egg, yes. Yes.
yep, yep, yep.
Well, we've come to the end of another successful show. Thank
Yes.
you, Hutch, for joining us. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, not a problem.
Thank
We
you,
hope
Not a
Hutch.
problem.
you enjoyed it. I
Yeah, I
apologize for
did.
the last video, but hey,
It's all good. It's all good. I'll be once I leave here, I'll be finishing up my video for the morning.
Okay, come
With the
back
new
soon.
with the new commercial.
Come back soon.
Yeah, I
Come
will.
back
It won't
soon.
be as
Okay.
long because I
Okay.
told
Good.
Phil, I was like, yeah, I
Good.
took too long coming back.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
well, and be sure to check out Hutch's channel, Sovereign Citizen Encounters. Be sure to like and share and subscribe.
Yep.
Tell him we
Yep.
sent you. Say
Yep.
hi.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
And join a live stream of his. It's different than ours, but it's fun. It is fun.
I'll try to
Okay.
make it that way. Have it a little entertaining.
Yep.
He
I
has
don't know, Phil. I had a
great
giveaway
country.
on my channel last year, towards the end of the year.
Oh, you did?
Hmm. I put it out there. It was out. I think I set it up. I think I let it run for like 2 to 3 weeks or 2 weeks, and then I was able to get one of the winners was one of the subscribers on the channel.
Oh,
And she said
nice.
she never won anything before. I just had like $50 merch giveaway at the time.
Oh,
Nice.
Yeah, it
Nice.
went pretty good. Yeah. I just wanted to
Night,
do
Friday.
something for participation and give something back.
Yeah. Good for you.
Yeah.
Good for you. Okay, everybody, have a good night. Be safe.
Okay.
Be
You all
smart.
too.
Be smart.
I'm trying to
Yep.
find the ending here, and I can't find it in my list of crap.
Oh, like your
We
the
have a
outro
close. We have a
video?
close. Yeah, we have an outro video, but
Was it like the intro?
no.
Intro was cool.
Yeah, thank
I
you.
liked
That
it.
was
I
it.
really liked it.
Jim did the graphics for it, and a friend of the channel, Justin Blue Ridge, did the song for me. So he wrote the song, and then they did it in AI because he's actually a country music singer.
Okay. That's
So
it's very nice.
okay, where did I put that? Where did I put that? Well, I can't find it, so we're just gonna have to end it the way it
Oh
ends.
shoot.
So, any last words, Christine?
no, just that I had a good time. It was very
Great.
entertaining.
I'm glad you liked it. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
NCR.
Remember, toilet paper and paper towels are made by the same material, but used to wipe totally different holes.
Good advice. Good advice as always. Hutch, any last words?
Everybody have a good night, and I'll see you around when I come back.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Good night.